Today, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting with guests. This is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate with people outside your organization, whether they're clients, partners, or freelancers. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, look over to the left side of your Teams interface where you'll see the navigation panel. Click on Calendar. This is where all your scheduled meetings live and where you'll create new ones. Once you're in the calendar view, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on New Meeting. This button opens up the meeting creation form where you'll configure all the details. Now, you'll see a field at the top where you can input a title for your meeting. Choose something clear and descriptive that immediately tells participants what the meeting is about. This helps everyone stay organized and know what to expect when they see it in their calendar. Right below the title field, you'll find a space to enter the name of your guest or their email address. Start typing either their name or email and Teams will search for matches. If you're inviting someone outside your organization, you'll need to enter their full email address. You can add multiple guests by simply typing additional names or emails in the same field. Next, select the date and time for your meeting. Click on the date picker to choose when you want the meeting to happen, then set the specific time. Make sure you consider time zones if you're working with people in different locations to avoid confusion. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice an important option labeled Who can bypass the lobby. Click on the drop-down menu here. You'll see several choices: people who were invited, everyone, and only me. This setting controls who can enter the meeting directly versus who has to wait in a virtual lobby for you to admit them. If you select people who were invited, your guests will enter automatically since they were added to the meeting. If you choose only me, you'll have more control but will need to manually admit each person. Just below that, there's another drop-down for who can present. Here, you can choose either everyone or only me. If you select everyone, all participants, including your guests, will be able to share their screen and present content. This is great for collaborative meetings. If you choose only me, you maintain full control over what's presented during the meeting. Once you're done editing all the meeting details and you're satisfied with your settings, click Save. This will send calendar invitations to all the guests you added and the meeting will appear in your Teams calendar. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a Microsoft Teams meeting with external guests, giving them access to join your Teams collaboration space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.